Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you another Lamborghini. This is my third Lamborghini video from the Lamborghini series I'm doing, and in this one I'm gonna show the Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. This one is finished in white exterior color that fits the car great. The wheels are black and they look amazing. So without further ado, let me take it out of the box and show it to you guys. There's one amazing feature on this Aventador. Can you guys guess what it is? Okay, so if your guess was the real Lambadors, you were right. It's a very rare feature for a model to have the doors open like this, and with that feature on this one, just becomes my favorite. Other than the doors, the engine cover is functioning and opening as well. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this video, and in another video that I'm planning as a bonus video this weekend, I'm gonna show you another amazing Lamborghini. It's gonna be the Gallardo Superleggera, and the really special thing about it is that the car that I got is a kit that I have to put together. So not only unboxing, but I'm gonna show you guys how I put together the Lamborghini itself. So please stay tuned, I'm really excited about it. The video is coming up this weekend. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you're looking to buy this awesome Lamborghini, I'm gonna include a link in the description. As always, thanks for watching.